clusters of storms and look towards southern Michigan. We've got widespread
Seneca County in northwestern Ohio until midnight. At 11:16 p.m. after daylight time, a severe thunderstorm was located near the event, 60 miles per hour.
County and central parts of Seneca County, several hundred lightning strikes that have been occurring just in the past 10 minutes. We're lining the picture up, and we've got clusters of storms that are going to continue to ride down across the boundary.
In Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Seneca County in northwestern Ohio until midnight Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm on Wednesday for the following county: Seneca, Ohio. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Tiffin, Bloomville, New Regal, Attica, Republic, and Bascom. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday for the following county: Seneca, Ohio.
2 to 3 inches of rain after it's all said and done, and we'll see a break.
In the morning, you don't wake up in my shirt now. Even holding hands, walking out of church now.